that guy's done. Let's see what thanks. I gotta be able to stop. It's snowing a lot, guys. What up? What up, yo? It's snowing outside, you can see. And I'm at work right now. I'm also cleaning. So look at all the cars are going slow. Oh, except for that Jeep. Look at that Jeep. Where is it? Right there. Oh yeah. It's winter, guys. Chicago. That car ain't moving nowhere. Going super slow. Oh. Yeah, those cars are going slow. Look at that car. Same Impala right there. Oh god. Look at this one. Look at this one slow. Hold on. I'll record in a bit. Look at that. Slow as hell. Man down! Man down! Man down! You can't move. You can't move. I don't know if you guys can hear his engine, but it's super loud. It's not going nowhere. Oh, he is, but super slow. Come on, dude. You're almost there. You're almost there. This is a big hill. If I had some kind of ropes in my Jeep, I swear I would go help him. But I'm actually working. I'll see you guys at my house. Actually, guys, before we go, there's a truck that is stuck. I ain't going nowhere. Okay, there's a couple of them that are stuck. That one, and that one, they're all stuck. Can't move. I think I should go help them out right now. So the truck is right there, and I saved her. There's no hill no more. See? But now I have to walk all the way over there. That's gonna suck. Oh well. It was nice doing something good for someone. So, yeah. Oh man, I'm still walking down. This was a big hill. I don't know, I mean, maybe you guys can't really tell that's a hill because of the camera. But my restaurant is passing those lights down. So she was over there in the middle of my restaurant. So I drove all the way up to that hill where that car is at, but I left the car over there, like, so I drove all this. Now I have to walk that way again to the restaurant.
Not only the open of my radio shows, which it has been for a very long time, but also as the music that was played by Bumblefoot and Mike Portnoy and the gang at the 30th anniversary party for this radio show a few weeks ago. When they did the surprise jams, this is the first thing they played, which of course is Michael Schenker Group, Captain Nemo. That's the name of this song. I get questions about that all the time, and it's
I'm behind my house. Look at that. Oh yeah. Mom made me a sandwich. I got home. I got to my house from the back ways. Watching the Hulk. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much my day, Sunday. But tomorrow's a new day. Hopefully, it can snow more, and I'll have more fun. Alright, guys, bye.